Hello and welcome to another interesting edition of this show. Today we are going to be talking about an introduction to federal government of Nigeria savings bond, a safe and secure path to growing your money. My name is Chime Chinon, so your money guide, right? And before you continue, I'd love you to subscribe to my channel, and after you subscribe, share this video link to your friends. They will have one or two to learn from this. All right. So we're going to be talking about an introduction to the federal government savings bond, a safe and secure path to growing your money. So I want to ask you a question. Just one question. If you had 100,000 naira, how will you keep or grow it safely? If you had 100,000 naira, some people will tell you, I'll go and burn it in a club. Some people will tell you, I'll put it in my savings account. But over time, I've discovered that putting money in savings account alone cannot grow your money. There are other ways you can grow your money. So, are you looking for a safe and secure way to grow your money? And do you want to earn regular income from your savings? Then you need to explore the federal government savings bond. And let's explore federal government of Nigeria savings bond, an investment that helps you to grow your wealth while contributing to national development. So, one of the good things about investing in federal government savings bond is that you're also contributing to national development. So, let's dive in. What are federal government savings bond? So, in simple definition, it is a way for you to lend money to the federal government for a specific period of time, and the federal government in return pay you a fixed interest for the loan and also return your initial investment in full when the bond matures. So it is a loan to the government to fund national development. So let me explain in simple terms. You borrow money to the government, let's say for a specific number of time, and you and the government will agree this is the interest you are going to be paying me on that money that I'm paying you. Like, that is to say that they have a particular percentage for that money in terms of interest, right? So they now pay you that percentage over a period of time. And after that, the money is paid back to you. So why should you invest in federal government savings bond, and what are the benefits of investing in federal government savings bond? Number one, the federal government savings bond is extremely low risk. It is backed by the full faith and credit of the federal government of Nigeria. Whatever is backed up by the federal government of Nigeria is very, very safe, right? So, and it is low risk. Then you have regular passive income. You earn interest payment every 3 months. That means that if you invest in federal government savings bond, you're going to be earning interest every three months. Normally, the tenor is usually 2 to 3 years. So you're going to be earning interest, or you're going to be paid a percentage of that money every three months within that 3 years. And at the end of the 2 years or 3 years, they'll pay you your capital back. What does it mean? You have money making money for you. And then what this also does is that it also encourages a saving culture. Federal government savings bond helps you to build a disciplined habit of saving and investing. And like I said before, you're also contributing to national development. So your investment funds important structures and projects across Nigeria. So let's look at the key features of federal government savings bond at a glance again. Number one is tenor. It's a short-term investment that is usually between 2 or 3 years, and interest is paid out quarterly every three months. So, and the interest varies from month to month, but is fixed for your investment period. So let me tell you something about the federal government savings bond. It is open usually in the first week of every month, and it doesn't take time. It will just expire, right? And if the interest this month is 18%, they are going to pay you 18% per annum throughout the tenure. If the interest next month is 19%, they are going to pay you 19% every year for the 10 or 2 or 3 years. Like when I did mine, it was at 17%. So that 17%, they shared it into quarterly and it's paid to me every quarter. So I'm going to show you a case study of how it works too. And your full initial investment is returned to you at the end of the tenor. So if you're doing 2 years tenor, after 2 years, they'll pay your capital back. If you're doing 3 years tenor, after 3 years, they'll pay your capital back. So how much do you need to invest in federal government savings bond? So even if you don't want to invest, you can just give this thing a try. The minimum investment is 5,000 naira. 5,000 naira that use the eating poor, 5,000 naira you use and eat catfish. Use it and invest in federal government savings bond. Just see how it works. So the minimum investment is 5,000 naira and the maximum is 50 million naira. Ha. If you get 50 million naira when you need to use, this is a very good way to invest it. And the important rule is that all investment must be in multiples of 1,000. So here you can't do 5,000, 100 naira, 5,000. It must be a multiple of 1,000. 5,000, 6,000, not 6,500, not 10,500, not 10,100. It must be in multiples of 1,000 naira. And then for the interest they are going to pay you, they are going to be taking 10% tax on that interest. So any interest that you be paid every quarter, they are going to be taking 10% interest, better than nothing. So who are the people that can invest? Anybody that can invest, right? Investment is open to almost everyone. It's open to students via parents or guardians accounts, salary earners, retirees, pre-retirees. Nigerians in diaspora can also invest in FGN Savings Bond, individuals and corporate bodies, and you must be 18 years or older to invest directly. If you're less than 18 years, that means you might need your parents' guardians or your parents or guardians account for you to be able to invest in federal government savings bond, right? Now, the next question on your mind is, Chimex, where can we invest? Which platform can we use to invest in federal government savings bond, right? Like I told you, at the beginning of the month, usually the first 5 or first 10 days of the month, the advert for federal government savings bond is usually out, and you can also see it at the debt management office website. They usually announce it there. So one of the platforms I personally use Invest Naija. And Invest Naija is an app that is owned by Chapel Hidinam for different investments. You can use it to buy shares and the rest of them. But that is where I bought my federal government savings bond. If you're going to use Invest Naija, I'm going to drop my referral link in the comment section so that you use my referral link to register on Invest Naija. And the next platform is Atlas Portfolio. Another platform is FBN Quest, and another platform is Afri Invest. These are platforms where you can invest in federal government savings bond. I personally use Invest Naija, but please, it's left for you to decide the one you want to use. So, how to invest in 3 simple steps? This is how to invest in 3 simple steps. Number one, choose a stockbroker, and like Invest Naija is a stockbroker, LBM Quest, all those people I mentioned earlier, they are stockbrokers. So you open an account with licensed stockbroking firm or online investment platform, right? So some of these stockbroking firm, they have online investment platform like I showed you earlier on. Invest Naija is app.investnaija.com. Atlas Portfolio, FBM Quest is owned by federal government. Sorry, FBM Quest is owned by First Bank of Nigeria. Then Afri Invest is owned by a broker called Afri Invest and also own a bank called Optimus Bank. They are the owners of Afri Invest. So another thing you need to do is to provide your KYC details such as ID card, BVN, utility bills on their website. Once you've done all that, then you subscribe to the offer. So fund your account and invest during the subscription period. So the subscription for federal government bond usually open on the first Monday of every month and last for 5 days. So when federal government bond opens in every month, they are done waiting for you. Just it opens for a period of 5 days. So the it's usually open in the first Monday of every month. So whatever month you're watching this video, the beginning of the month, the first Monday is when it usually opens. Like what I normally do is at the first Monday of every month, I go to my app, Invest Naija app. I open the app, I go to FGN Savings Bond and check if it is open. If it is open, I can pay directly on the app and that's it. So, and it lasts for just 5 days. So we are going to be looking at a case study of how FGN Savings Bond work in case you want to invest. So the first case study is a case study of 1 million naira, right? So if you're investing 1 million naira for 3 years, I told you they are usually tenor. There is tenor of 2 years, there is tenor of 3 years. So what these things can do for you is to beat inflation. You can also always reinvest your interest back. So if you invest 1 million naira at 18.5%, assuming the percentage varies every month. Assuming the percentage is 18.5%, sometimes it's 17%, sometimes it's 16%, sometimes it's 19%. It just varies. But we are using 18.5% as an example. So if peradventure investment is you're investing 1 million naira at 18.5% per annum for 3 years, it means that your annual interest will be 185,000 naira, and which I told you the interest is paid quarterly, which will be paid quarterly. That means every quarter of that 3 years, every three months, you are going to be receiving a profit of 46,250 naira. And this is not your capital. Your capital is left untouched. So that means within 3 years, that 1 million naira must have paid you 555,000, like almost 50% profit in a space of 3 years, right? And after that, your 1 million naira will be jejely returned to you. The federal government have been doing this for years and they've not failed. Even if they fail in payment in that quarterly interest, if they don't pay the day they are supposed to pay, usually they pay the next day, right? Now, let's look at the case study of 2 million naira. So, if you are investing 2 million naira for 3 years and assume the interest is 17.88% per annum, like I said, this is an example rate as rate changes monthly. So, this will return an annual interest of 357,600, which is going to be paid quarterly every three months. That means if you invest 2 million naira every three months for the space of 3 years, you're going to be paid 89,400. So assuming this your passive income is paid into your bank account 12 times, that means you're paid 89,400. It will not change. That exactly 89,400 will be paid into your account. Remember, they will remove 10% interest on the interest that is being paid. They will remove 10% of the interest. That will be paid 12 times over 3 years. So that means if you put in 2 million naira for a total of 3 years at a rate of 17.88%, at maturity, you are going to get a total of 3,072,800, which is your initial 2 million plus the interest of 1 million naira. So this is basically for people who have money they are not using anytime soon or money they want to just play around with, right? So what if you reinvested your quarterly 89,400? So if you get this 89,400 every 3 months, you can invest it back. So each reinvestment will also start earning its own interest and significantly increasing your total returns beyond the 1,072,800 as we calculated above. So that's the secret of building wealth. So most people who are poor, or people who don't understand these basic money principles, what they do is that they just put 1 million in the bank. Just leave that 1 million. Let nothing touch it, and they'll leave it there for 3 years. Inflation will catch up with the money. The money will remain where it is. But imagine that you put in that 1 million naira in federal government savings bond. In 2-3 years, the money can get 50% on top. You get? So let's look at the magic of compounding. Because this works with compound interest, the secret to building wealth is don't just spend your interest. So for instance, if you get this your 89,400, you can actually reinvest it back. And the more you reinvest it, the money is compounding. So how does this work? You can use the interest you earn to earn more by buying every quarter more federal government savings bonds. So this way, your earnings start generating their own earnings. And over time, this disciplined approach can significantly boost your wealth. Let me give you an example. If you have 2 million naira, like 6 million naira you're not using, and you divide it for 3 months, 2 million naira the first month, 2 million naira the second month, and 2 million naira the third month, what it means is that every month you are going to be getting a lot from the federal government. And if you keep reinvesting this alert you're getting, this interest you're getting, your money keeps compounding over time. It keeps compounding. And if you keep doing this in the space of 10 to 15 years, you're going to grow a lot of money. You're going to really, really grow a lot of money. So, in summary, federal government savings bonds are safe, simple, and effective way to earn passive income. And the process is straightforward and can be managed from the comfort of your home. You don't need to go to any bank. Just register in one of these platforms. And remember to reinvest your interest to build long term wealth. And your journey to financial growth starts now. So, thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment. And if you want to register on Invest Naija, don't forget to use our referral code in the comment section. Thank you very much and bye. Have a nice day.